In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Notion widgets to your desktop. So whether you're a seasoned Notion user or new to the platform, you'll find this process straightforward and rewarding, as it can greatly enhance the functionality and appeal of your workspace. To start, you'll need to choose a widget source. There are several available online that offer various types of widgets, such as calendars, weather updates, or even inspirational quotes. Take a moment to browse through these options and pick a source that aligns with your needs. Once you've found a widget that captures your interest, navigate to their website where you'll typically find a tool to generate a widget link. This is usually a simple process involving a form where you might need to customize the widget to fit your personal preference or desk requirements. After adjusting any settings to your liking, generate the link and make sure to copy the embed link provided. This step is crucial, so double check that you've copied the link correctly. Now let's head over to Notion. If you haven't already, open Notion on your desktop and navigate to the page where you'd like to add the widget. Once you're there, place your cursor where you intend to insert the widget. Here's a quick tip. Consider the layout of your page beforehand to ensure the widget's placement complements your existing content. Next, type the / command followed by the word embed. This is a powerful feature in Notion that allows you to incorporate external content seamlessly into your pages. A menu will pop up, select embed, and a new prompt will appear for you to enter the link. Now paste that carefully copied embed link into this field and then click embed link. With the widget now embedded in your Notion page, you'll want to adjust the size. Notion's interface allows you to resize the embed block to suit your layout vision perfectly. This ensures that your widget doesn't just function well, but also looks great on your page. Finally, align the widget alongside other sections or callouts you have in Notion to create a cohesive, dashboard-like aesthetic. This adds to the visual appeal and can greatly enhance your productivity by keeping important information easily accessible. As you position the widget, pay attention to the overall balance of your layout. A well-organized dashboard can make all the difference in creating a pleasant and efficient workspace. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully added a Notion widget to your desktop. Take a moment to appreciate the enhanced functionality and aesthetic it brings to your workspace. With practice, you can experiment with different widgets and layouts, transforming your Notion pages into a powerful personal hub. Thanks for joining me today, and happy Notioning.